Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope that the information in this could help you to understand more about Pakistan and its history. Today, we are going to talk about Imran Khan, and it's important in the history of this beautiful country. So let's start from the beginning. Imran Khan, or Imran Hamad Khan Niazi, was born in November 25 in 1952 in Lahore, Pakistan. He born in a wealthy family that gave him the opportunity to study in elite schools. Yes, that's the word, elite schools. He also moved to United Kingdom. But we are going to talk about cricket. So, what is cricket? Cricket is a popular sport in countries that have had a relationship or have been part of the British Empire. So, Khan was introduced to the cricket in his youth. And Khan started to play cricket in Pakistan, and then when he moved to England, he was playing during his time at the University of Oxford. When he came back, his first match for Pakistan national team was in 1971, and then in 1982 he became its captain. Yes, after almost 10 years. Okay, in the World Cup, or the most important event of cricket, which took place in New Zealand and Australia in 1992, the team of Pakistan obtained his first World Cup title under his leadership. Yes, he was the captain, and having obtained the cup, he also obtained the status as one of the greatest cricket players in history, and he retired that same year. During his life, Khan became an active critic of corruption in his country, and in 1996 he founded his political party, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, or to simplify this, we are going to call it PTI. In 2007, he was among the politics who protested against the candidacy of President Pervez Musharraf in the upcoming election. That same year, he was imprisoned during the state of emergency dictated by Musharraf. In July of 2018, after the PTI won plurality of seats in the National Assembly, he formed a coalition with independent members of the parliament that brought him the opportunity to become Prime Minister on August 18. During his time as Prime Minister, he faced several how to call this, because they were not only troubles, they were more than troubles. So during his time as Prime Minister, he had faced the withheld military aid from the United States, then an incident in Kashmir, after India entered Pakistan airspace, and the recent cancellation of the construction of first Hindu temple in Islamabad due to pressure from clerics. He wanted to demonstrate that Pakistan is a country that can tolerate another religions. Learning about Imran Khan has helped me to understand that sometimes the support of your people, well, in his case, he has the status of legend in his country, could help you to reach new opportunities. And I feel that he is going to help his country, in this case Pakistan, to become greater than before. Thank you for watching this presentation.